We are starting again today with the separately excited DC motor. In separately excited DC motor, the field winding is excited by a separate DC source and the armature is applied with another DC supply. So these motors have field coils similar to those of shunt wound machine, but the armature and field coils are fed from different supply sources, as you can see from in the circuit diagram. In separately excited DC motor, the armature current IA is equals to the line current provided by the supply mains. And if we apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in this closed circuit, we will get EB equals to V minus I into R. EB is the back EMF induced in the armature and V is the supply mains voltage. I is the current, RA is the armature resistance. Now power drawn from the supply mains will be equals to V into I, and mechanical power developed PM means जो आपको आउटपुट मिल रहा है वो कितना होगा, वो होगा आपका power input to the armature which is equals to V into I minus power loss in armature which is equals to I square RA. So we take I common, V minus I into RA is equals to EB. So EB into I is the mechanical power developed. Now come to the self-excited DC motors, in which the first classification is series wound DC motors. In series wound DC motors, the field coil consisting of few turns of thick wire are connected in series with the armature. Means field coils of few turns are connected in series with the armature winding in DC series motor. So this is the circuit diagram of DC series motor, and you can see that the armature current, the series field current and the line current both are same. All the three currents are same, which is equals to I. So the expression of back EMF induced in the armature will be equals to V minus I into RA plus R series, which is obtained by applying KVL in this closed circuit. Power drawn from the supply mains is same, V into I, and mechanical power developed is equals to power input to the armature minus the power loss in the armature, which is equals to I square into RA plus R series. Power loss in the armature as well as in the series field winding. So it will come as EB into I. Now next come to shunt wound DC motor. The word shunt means parallel. These motors are so named because they are basically operate with the field coils connected in parallel with the armature. In this, the shunt field coils is connected in parallel with the armature. Now the line current provided from the supply is divided into two parts. One is shunt current and another one is armature current. So IL equals to IA plus ISH, and as we have already told you that ISH equals to V upon RSH. So back EMF developed in the armature कितना होगा, EB equals to V minus IA into RA. It is obtained by applying Kirchhoff's voltage law in this closed circuit containing supply mains and armature. Now power drawn from the supply mains is equals to V into IL, that is the line current, and mechanical power developed is equals to power input to the armature minus power loss in the shunt field winding and power loss in the armature. So we take common, so IL minus ISH minus IA square RA, and IL minus ISH is equals to IA. So VIA minus IA square RA. Here we will take IA common, so in bracket V minus IA RA, which is equals to EB. So EB into IA is the mechanical power developed in the DC shunt motor.